If your manuscript was recently rejected for publication, we know how disappointing it can be. We are here to tell you about a service tailored to authors whose manuscripts have been rejected. We understand that you as an author still want to publish your valuable research in the optimal journal. Transfer Your Manuscript service can help you identify another appropriate journal for your work, ensuring it has the best chance of being published. Why use Transfer service? First, you can choose an alternative journal quickly and easily from personalized suggestions made to suit your manuscript. These suggestions are based on input from journal editors, insights from our scientific managing editors, and AI-powered journal matching algorithms. Second, you can transfer your manuscript with little effort. And third, you stay in control and can revise your work or cancel the process at any step before resubmitting your manuscript to the new journal. Let's take an example. Audrey is the author of the manuscript Interesting Observations. She has submitted it to a journal, but its editors have decided that it is not suitable for publication in their journal and rejected it. Within a short time, she will receive an email from Elsevier with a link to this page. The page lists suggested journals based specifically on Audrey's manuscript. Now, Audrey can choose which journal would be the best home for her work. She can compare the journal's insights like available publishing options, impact factor, acceptance rate, and so on. For each suggestion, she can follow the link, view details, and transfer to evaluate more journal insights. By clicking Read More about this journal, Audrey can even read all journal details on a journal homepage. If Audrey decides which journal is a good match, she can transfer her manuscript. She can do this in 4 simple steps. Click on Transfer to this journal, double-check the transfer details and confirm the transfer. After confirmation, we will send your manuscript files to selected journal and send you an email with details of the confirmed transfer. Next, the journal or our service will send you the login link to continue your submission. And finally, you log into your new journal and make any changes you want before approving the PDF or even cancel at any time if you change your decision to transfer. Let's get back to Audrey. She already has confirmed transfer to the new journal. Also, she received some feedback on her manuscript with initial rejection. After the transfer, she has 90 days to revise the manuscript before submitting it to the new journal. She can also adjust her cover letter or other files to fit the new journal by logging into that journal, selecting Submission Sent Back to Authors, and then selecting Edit Submission. Once the files are updated and all the information is filled in, Audrey clicks Build PDF for approval to complete the submission process in the new journal. This manuscript now is in Submissions Waiting Approval by Author folder. At this stage, she still can change her decision to transfer and cancel the process if needed. But Audrey is happy with the new journal and ready to finish her transfer. Here, she's checking the final PDF by downloading the file by View Submission. Next, she's checking the Ethics in Publishing policy, accepting it, and now she can proceed to approve submission from the Actions link to finish the process. Now her submission is complete and Audrey can relax while waiting for next editor's decision. Transfer does not guarantee publication of Audrey's work at the new journal, as her manuscript will be accessed by their editors. But the transfer service has recommended journals to her that are most suitable and most likely to accept her manuscript. We have 20,000 researchers visit our transfer service every week and we receive constant positive feedback from them. And we would be happy to hear feedback from you too for making the service better. If you have any trouble with the transfer process, please reach out to our support team by Support Center link. Thank you for watching this video.